Okay guys, a lot of you have asked me where to buy Trump coin. Remember I created a video on Trump in the morning and you can see already a lot of people has bought the token. When I covered it, it was around $10 and now it has increased to over $28. In this video, I will give a simple guide how to buy Trump coin. So for that, all you need to do is know the actual smart contract of this particular token that I covered in my recent video. You can click on the link above or below to watch my previous video to learn about Trump coin. Of course, the smart contract is already shared. Click on the smart contract I have shared in the description of this video. That will take you through this page, which is right over here, and here you need to click on this part, which is token address, right? Just copy this part, token address, copy address, then go to this website, which is your Jupiter exchange, jup.ag. Remember to type the correct URL, jup.ag. Click on it, press on enter. It goes to jup.ag, which is Jupiter exchange. Connect your Phantom wallet. Remember, this token is live on Solana blockchain only, not on any other blockchain. So connect with your Phantom wallet, which is right over here, Phantom. Load some Solana token on this wallet. Again, you should know the basics of cryptocurrencies. So once you connect the Solana wallet, here you will see USDC Sol. Now below, just choose or type the contract address that I've just shown you, paste it here and click on it. So that's it, right? If you have stablecoin or Solana, just choose the currency you have and swap it with that. I have USDT. Let's say I'm doing it for 1 USDT. I'm getting this much Trump token. So this is how easily you can buy Trump token using decentralized exchange. Do not buy it from any other exchange. This is one of the most trustworthy exchanges. Of course, Radium is there, but I suggest you to buy from Jupiter exchange. This is number one when it's come to trading meme coins on Solana blockchain. Click on the swap. It will show you the price. So you can see here I'm getting this much Trump token for 1 USDT. Just click on confirm and your wallet will be credited with Trump tokens. So that's how easily you can purchase Trump coin. Remember, you can always check your balance by clicking here and check your portfolio. It will be added in the matter of minutes once you buy it. And also you can click here and check the Phantom extension. And with that, you can easily buy it. Remember, if you want to install Phantom extension, just Google it. Phantom wallet. That's it. This is what you need to do, and this is a browser extension that you need to install. Remember to install the correct one. Right over here, go to Phantom and install this extension. Once you install it, you are good to go. It's very easy, very simple. If you have any question, comment below, join me on Telegram, and that's how easy you can buy Trump coin with Phantom wallet. Just click on download from Brave and it will install the extension for you. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, press the bell icon. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.